Mastering everyday English. How are the brakes? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem simple at first glance but is packed with practical significance. How are the brakes? This phrase is a perfect example of how English speakers often talk about everyday situations. Understanding these phrases can greatly enhance your conversational skills, so let's get started. How are the brakes? Is a question that, on the surface, inquires about the condition or effectiveness of the brakes on a vehicle. Brakes are crucial for safety, controlling the speed, and stopping the vehicle. However, this phrase can extend beyond its literal meaning. It's not just a question about car parts. It's a way of expressing concern for safety and functionality. In this section, we'll break down the phrase. How are is a common English construction used to ask about the condition or state of something. The brakes specifically refers to the braking system of any vehicle, not just cars but bikes, trucks, and even metaphorical uses in different contexts. Understanding when and how to use the phrase, "How are the brakes?" can help you navigate various situations more effectively. In everyday conversation, in a casual setting, this question can be a way of showing concern for someone's well-being, especially if they've mentioned issues with their vehicle before. It's a specific inquiry that shows attentiveness to previous conversations. In a mechanical context, when speaking with a mechanic or at a service center, this question is straightforward. It focuses on assessing the safety and readiness of the vehicle for driving. Metaphorical use. Sometimes, this phrase can be used metaphorically to ask about someone's ability to slow down or take a break in life. For example, asking a busy friend, "How are the brakes?" might be a playful way to check if they're managing to find time to relax. Now, let's practice using "How are the brakes?" in different contexts. Try forming sentences or questions around this phrase based on who you're speaking to. Remember, the tone of voice and the context in which you ask can greatly affect the meaning. 1. To a friend about their new car, "I saw you got a new car. How are the brakes?" 2. To a mechanic, "Could you check how the brakes are? They felt a bit off last time." 3. Metaphorically to a friend, "You've been running around a lot with work and errands. How are the brakes? Getting any time to rest?" Understanding phrases like, "How are the brakes?" can add depth to your English conversations and help you connect more meaningfully with others. It's a great example of how language can be practical, metaphorical, and deeply human. We hope this video has shed some light on the nuances of English language learning and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily life. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video for more insights into English language mastery.